Hello Beyblade fans, my name is Shadow of 34 and welcome to a brand new Beyblade unboxing. So let's get started. だけどあれハンカチが多いかも全部使いそうなやつだから土も食わない物まで落ちていけば癒しの気で Hello guys. I'm I'm full of hello today. So welcome to my brand new unboxing, and today's unboxing is an ordinary one because this bay is one of the main main starter of the series. And to those who watched my special unboxing number 10, the reason I explained there what is the reason why I don't post or upload videos often. It's because my job is in the mall and we follow the schedule of the mall when it opens and it closes. So I'm not a 8-hour shift, it's a straight. So yeah, if you didn't watch the video already, just go to my YouTube page, Shadow Wolf 34, search it and go to my videos. So today's unboxing, like I said, it's not it's a ordinary one. It's because I'm gonna unbox Chris Satan. So Chris Satan is a defense type Beyblade that have a cool gimmick in its layer. So we'll do that part later. So Chris Satan is owned by Cisco, as you can see here, and the parts of Chris Satan is 2 glaive loop. So yeah, here's the box art. As you can see, Sedan there, and explaining the triple roller in the layer. Here's the side, here's the back. So sorry about the crookedness here, the line crooked is because it was in the packaging. And here's the side again. And yeah, so before I unbox this, I want to thank Sir Jeffrey Cano or Kano. Sorry if I mispronounce your last name. It's sorry. So without you and your smooth transactions, I didn't get this Beyblade and the other one. And yeah, it's great that I known you in the Facebook marketplace. I was searching for cheap brand new Beyblades that didn't unbox yet, because it is hard to find a little bit cheap brand new Beyblades, because here in the Philippines, newly released Beyblades are so pricey. So yeah, thank you Sir Jeffrey again, and I recommend you all who lives in the Philippines that want to buy cheap brand new Beyblades. I recommend Sir Jeffrey. Just search it, search Beyblade in the Facebook marketplace and find his advertisement. So yeah, so sorry about the often sniffling, I guess, because I have a cold and a cough. So yeah, that's a little bit bad. Sorry. So yeah, let's unbox it. So to those viewers that a little bit young, don't use sharp object like cutter. Seek seek help from a guardian or an adult to open your Beyblade box. So here's the piece that you have to cut to put it in the Beylogger. So I don't have a Beylogger because they didn't release it here in the Philippines. So Crazy Satan is a starter, so it has a launcher, but I will not use it because it is poorly designed and it is designed for children. So I'll put the box here and let's see the content. Firstly, I'm gonna get rid of this launcher because I don't really want to use it. So I'm gonna cut here the driver loop. Ooh. Let's cut it off. All of them. Cut it. Again, don't use sharp object if you don't have adult supervision because cutter is super sharp. So yeah. Firstly, here's the Pro launcher. I don't want to use it, so yeah. Let's take that aside. Shut cutter. So here's the manual and the sticker. Take a good look at the sticker because I don't put stickers on my Beyblade except for those Beyblade that I bought secondhand. So let's zoom in for a better look of the Bey. Okay, so I'm gonna open it. To be honest, I don't really plan to buy Crazy Satan because the gimmick of the loop driver is not that effective, I guess, but it's still a great Bey because a lot of the competitive side of the game, they use Glaive more often, and 2 is a good disc as well. So let's do this. Let me adjust my camera first and then adjust okay. So firstly, here's the driver. So here's loop. That's the LP loop. So the gimmick of this Bey is this. It has rollers on the driver and it acts like a counter when your base move tilt. It can regain stability, but to be honest, I don't see that working at all. But who knows, maybe. Still a great driver, I guess. So here's 2. You already see the disc 2 from my unboxing of the Killer Deathsider. It has 2 main points here. It is perfect for the sword based Bey, if you know what I mean. Yeah, Xeno Excalibur and Sig Excalibur, and it will be on Philippines wave 3 of Beyblade Burst God, so stay tuned for that. So that's the core disc, and here's the frame. Glaive. I already To be honest, I always want to have a glaive because I really want to see what it really looks like up close. And yeah, I think it is called glaive because of these 2 points. Um, what is that word? I forgot. It acts like a blade that glaives through the enemy, so that's why it is called glaive. So yeah, let's put it together with the cordis. Yeah, it's tight because it's brand new, not like my God Valkyrie's Vortex, so loose. So here's the main event, the layer, Cray Satan. Yeah, it's bulky, and it's because it's a defense type. And here's the triple roller in the bay. So these rollers acts like a deflector, if that's a word. Deflects enemies attacks or reduce the enemies attacks, so it is less to burst. But when I watch some of famous Baytubers battle against this, Cray Satan is more often to burst than to less burst. Yeah, but still cool gimmick. And you can see his face here and a reverse S because we already have an S. It is Spriggan, so it goes the other way around. It's like a Z with a curve. So here's the teeth. A decent teeth, I guess, for a defense type. Yeah, and I can't even see it. Yeah, decent for the defense type. So let's put it together. If my camera can focus. Yeah, let's see if we can hear the click. Ooh, yeah, God tier bear. Click. Let's see here. Yeah, I can hear the wheels. So yeah, here's Cray Satan fully assembled, and it looks pretty good. I really like the design of it, and when it was released, it was awesome to just see it. So let's zoom out for the final for the outro. So yeah, that is about it with this video. Cray Satan 2 glaive loop, and yeah, it's a great bay. I know it's, like I said, it's an ordinary Beyblade for me because Cray Satan it's a normal bay, and the competitive only used is the glaive frame, and still it's a good bay. I recommend it. And again, thank you, Sir Jeffrey, for this. Without your smooth transaction, I didn't get this bay from you. Thank you. And yeah, so that's about it, guys. Hope you liked the video. If you do, leave a like, comment, and press the little bell icon down beside the red button if you want to get notified when I upload new videos. So this has been Shadowwolf34, your Pinoy Blader, and I'm out. Peace.